In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can log out of all devices on Discord mobile application. Open it Discord app on your mobile phone. Then tap at profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see here now it says devices and it's in beta. If you click on devices right here, this is going to show you all your logged in devices that you're currently logged into on your Discord account. Now it's not going to show some older devices, it may not show those as it says right. If you want to log out of all these current sessions right now, all you need to do is scroll down. And then you'll see it says log out all known devices. Click on that. And then you'll just need to enter in your password. Then all the logged in devices will be logged out.